Hi guys, Bleach here, Mike here. My real name is Mike and I'm Bleach. I'm not Clorox or anything, although my brain appears to be bleach, because look at my collection of lawnmowers here. Oh, there's a push mower too, that's what I use. But the belt came for the Snapper Comet. We're going to try and put it on. I gotta stretch it back to where it was. As you can see where it was shiny there, it's gotta be adjusted right over the shiny part. Because the belt on this was too small. It was like 1/2 by 69. I thought I would try it and threw the belt. So I'm gonna take this wrench here. Hopefully it's the right size. 1/2 usually fits on there. 3/8 or 5/8 or something. Got a what looks to be a genuine Snapper belt. It's made in China though, and I think they made these belts in China, so go figure. The belt's making my hand itch for some reason. I might be allergic to it, so it's going to be a fun ride putting this on there. Runs and starts pretty good with the primer bulb I put on there. I don't know if you saw that video, but enough chit chat, let's get to it. I'll show you how to run the belt on this, although you've seen it's a mouthful, many other videos of me doing that. What you want to do before you lift it on its back, it's got these arms on there and you can lift it on its back to support it. One's a little crooked, shouldn't affect it any, so it's got the bottom one there straight. You want to lower the deck all the way down as far as it'll go. And you take this plate off. You also want to take this off too. And nice, the tires are losing air for some reason. Oh my god, what did I just do? Oh, I didn't puncture the tire. The cotter pins that hold the tires on are pushing into the valve stems. I thought I put a valve cap on there, and it doesn't appear to have one. So I'll pump up the tire and get this thing off in the next segment. Call me the working man. Some of these have nuts, some of these trays have screws. It was rusting on there good. It's far too lazy to go on the porch to get the liquid wrench. Sprayed car cleaner on it, so when it come undone. Made this little contraption I got with this small 1/4 socket wrench. I got all these little screw bits in here, which is great. One of them appears to be missing. It's probably in the red toolbox over here. But I got it undone. So let's see here. Oh yeah, it's loose now. I'm going to take that tray off there. Alright guys, you want to wiggle this arm forward. That's the deck arm for shifting it into the mow speed. And wiggle it to get the tray off. Alright guys, on some of these, you'll have a little, you can see it there, a shift knob. You want to lock that in place. And maybe put it in gear so you can slip the belt through. So we'll do that all the way in, so you can slip the belt through the rubber disc. Some won't have this. You might be able to hold it with some vice grips or something. Guys, I got the old belt off. Pretty cool. Dean Snyder does my local radio station from Twisted Sister. They must re-record the voice and send it in. I forgot to adjust this thing at the fork. You generally want the gas shut off and or turned off so it doesn't leak out. It's leaking out like a sieve out the back here. Alright guys, we're back. I'm Billy idling out. I find it's easier to feed it from top to bottom, not bottom to top. I'm really out of shape, guys. I gotta get on a treadmill or something. I'm out of breath. Who knows? I could be having an asthma attack. I think I'll show you how it goes when I get done. Sometimes I put it on backwards. There's a video where I put it on backwards. See you soon, guys. Alright, guys, you see where the belt is? You want to feed it through the rubber disc. Sometimes you can turn the rubber disc to help feed it. And wrap it around the pulley back there. I don't have any pulley clamps on there the way I did this. I probably should. Like to clamp the belt on there. It throws the belt again, at least I tried. Some of these comets, this doesn't pull down. On the newer ones, like the 80s models and the late 70s models, it does. Had to take my little orange crowbar with the lead paint on it from the dollar store to rock and roll hoochie coo it down in there to make it work. Well, guys, I got it on there. It goes just like this, and you push it forward like that, and it cuts. It's pretty tight. It seems okay. I'm gonna hammer that piece, that right there, a little more, so it doesn't throw the belt as bad. Right now, we're gonna sharpen the blades. Alright, guys, not sharpening the blades yet. I just want to lubricate. My oil will work. And my oil pump don't work. Lubricate everything under here. This thing's junk. Alright, guys, I got it pretty much lubricated under there. Now we're going to sharpen the blades. And then I'll be cutting, and that'll be it. Alright, guys, let's sharpen the snapper blade. Hopefully it doesn't fall on me. And hopefully I don't trip over the tripod. Alright, set up. Now do not grab onto the blade when you do this. I can't see where to sharpen it. I think it's right here. Yeah, guys, you really should wear eye protection. I stunk because I got glasses. There's splashing at my face and my arms. I'm not happy. I hope it cuts, guys. I hope it cuts. Stay tuned for the next segment where I take it on my hill and I'll cut with it.
Local government, police are hunting someone who rocked.
Alright, guys. What do you think? It's a snapper. It's all together now. Hope this video helped you. How to put your belt on. Hope I pointed you in the right direction. I hope this works, because sometimes if you got the belt on wrong, the pulleys will grind against the cover on the blades, or the cover on the deck. See you soon, guys. Bye. Guys, alright guys, I'm about to bring it out and test it. Soon the Craftsman will get done, and we'll try that. Hopefully it drives. I got the belt for it. It's probably the weekend or next week sometime. See? So stay tuned for that. Well guys, I guess this is the end of the video. The spring came apart that does this, and it hooks right to there. I can't do it. It got stuck and I pulled it apart trying to do this. The belt came off on the hill. I took a huge chunk out of my elbow, armpit part, whatever you want to call it. And until the neighbor gets back, I'm done with this. I hope it rains right on the piece of junk. I'm tired of it, guys. Goodbye. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, don't they look nice together? They still got to put the solenoid on this one. I'm gonna, I got the spring hooked up, but I had my neighbor take the, take the snap ring off of this, because the snap ring fell off on the other side of that, and it's got to go right to that hole with the snap ring, so that's a project for another day. I thought, let's get a video of them together. Maybe I can do a snapshot like this for my Facebook cover or something. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna have my mother come out here really quick and take me a picture of them with me. I might leave the comet outside and cover it with a tarp like the sand protractor. But you see you soon, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.